Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the sixth module of Microsoft Excel. The title of this project is 5 points group. This is Excel module 6 SAM project A. You can see the title as well. And if you want me to do this project for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics or Finance related projects, just text me on the WhatsApp, and you can also share your files over the email as well. So what I will do, I will just complete your files and send it to you again. Then you can upload it on your portal and get it graded. So it's a very economical service. So and also it's a 24/7 available service, so you can text me anytime. Okay, let's head over towards the first step. Baosang is a project assistant for the 5 Points Group, a management consultant company in Chicago. She tracks the consultant projects and billings in an Excel workbook and asks you for help in updating, analyzing data. Okay, this is the scenario, this is the role that we are given. Okay, go to Kang project worksheet, which lists project data for Canada Kang. Bao asks you to format the data as follows to match the data for the other consultants. So first of all, we have to go to the Kang worksheet. This is the Kang worksheet. Okay, format the range B3 to G13 as an Excel table with header using gold, table style, medium 5. B3 to G13. Select the range first of all. In order to format a range to a table, first of all you need to select the range. Go to the Home tab, and here in the Styles group you can see you will click this arrow, Format as a table, and here you can find 5 on this one. Gold, table style, medium 5. That's it. Now where is the data for my table? The data is in this range, and you should also, if that is unchecked, you have to check this also. Click OK. Now this range has been converted into a table. Next, use Kang as the name of the table. So just copy it, and when you select the range or any of the cell, go to the table design tab, and here you will find the table name. So just enter the name that we just copied. You can type it also. So this is the name of this table. I hope you got it. We are done with the step number 1. Moving to step number 2. Bao wants you to add new projects for the Canada Kang. Add the record shown in table 1 to the end of the Kang table. Okay, this data should be inserted to the end of the table. I'm just copying it. Right there and pasting it. Now you see the data has been inserted in the table at the end of the table. So we are done with step number 2 as well. She also wants you to focus on the Canvas King project with contract total over 60,000. Okay. Use a custom number filter to display only projects with contract total greater than 60,000. No, it's not 60,000, I think. Okay. Project contacts total. This should be filtered. So in order to filter a table, a column of a table, you need to select that. You need to click that arrow, and now you have to go to the number filters. Click greater than. Now put your value which value you want. You can see contract total is greater than this figure. Click OK. Now you see all this data is over the range, which was uh, this is the range. This is over this range. I hope you got it. If you're finding it difficult to do, just text me on WhatsApp and share your files over the WhatsApp. I will do the assignment for you and I will send it back to you. You can just submit it, okay? Moving to step number 4. Go to Velas projects worksheet, which contains a table named Velas for Gabriel Velas consulting projects. Go to Velas. That is Valleys. Okay. Unfreeze the pans in the worksheet because the worksheet is not long and wide enough to scroll. Okay, so we have to unfreeze it. Okay, you can see as we scroll down it is freezed, as we scroll to the right it is also freezed. So this is freezed, we have to unfreeze it. To unfreeze any worksheet, you need to go to the View tab. Here in the Windows group, click on the Freeze Pans, and here you have to unfreeze pans. You have to check it. Now if you scroll, it is scrolling right to left and also top to bottom. So we are done with step number 4 as well. Moving to step number 5, that is, Bow asks you to organize the projects by project types and contract amount, and to display the average amount of the contract and billing, modify the Willis table as follows. Remove the filter from the Willis table to display all the data. Now you see this is the Willis table. He wants that the filter from this Willis table, remove the filter. So in order to remove the filter, there are two ways. Okay, for just first of all, just have a look. Remove the filter from the Willis table. If you want to remove the filter, you need to go to the Home tab, and here you have to check this one. So the filters will be removed. Okay. Next is, if they want that the filter button should be removed, then you can go to the Table Design tab, and this filter button should be removed. Okay. So in this scenario, they have asked us that remove the filter from the Willis table to display all the data. So as we filtered out this one, the 60,000, so they want us to remove this filter. So for this we need to check, first of all click in the table and go to the data tab, and here you have to check the filter. Now you see the data below 60,000 is also displaying, which we just filtered in the previous step. I hope you got it. Next is, sort the data in ascending order, first by project type and then in descending order by contract total amount. Now this is the table, and all this what you can say, this range should be filtered, sorted out. So for this, double sorting is required. As you can see, the first sorting is done by ascending order by project type, and the second is descending order by contract total. So you can do it manually, but there's a way. You can go to the data tab, and here you can click sort. Now you have to add levels to this sort. Okay, so the first level is that ascending order by project type. You have to click project type, and now order is ascending. A to Z is always ascending, so by default it is ascending. Okay, now you have to add another level. In this one you have to click contract total descending order. Click contract total. Now by default it is ascending, so we have to select descending, which is largest to smallest in terms of numbers. Click OK. Now the data has been sorted as per the instructions. I hope you got it. Sorry. Insert a total row in the valley table. So this here we have to insert a total row. For this we need to first select it and go to the table design tab, and here we can say click the total. Now you see a total row has been added to this table. Use the total row to calculate the average contract total. So okay, so we have to average contract total and this one also, and average bill to date amounts. So these two columns should be averaged. Okay, now if you click here right at the F12, you can see in this row, if you click here you will see a arrow right there. Here are the function, which function when you want to apply. You can also apply minimum, maximum, count or something like that. They have asked us to apply the average function. Now if I click average, average has been calculated. Same way we have to average this. Now by default it is some function applied, you can see. We have to change it to average. That's it. So it's been done. In cell B12, change the text to average to indicate what amounts represent. B12 is this one, so we have to change this text to average. Now you see it makes sense. Okay, it is average, and this one, these values are also averaged. Moving to step number 6, go to Wazim projects sheet. Hania Wazim manages more projects than any other consultant. Bao wants you to summarize Wazim projects data using subtotals to show the values in the project in each industry. Modify the Wazim projects data as follows. Okay, first of all we have to navigate to the Wazim projects worksheet. This is the Wazim projects worksheet. All of these have the same structure, you can see. First of all, sort the Wazim table in ascending order by the industry field. This is the industry field, and we have to sort it by ascending order. So just click this arrow and click this sort A to Z. This is the ascending order and this is the descending order. So we have to click A to Z. Now you see the industry has been sorted as per alphabetical order. Next is convert the table to a normal range. Whenever you are asked to convert a table to a range, first of all you have to click inside the table. Then you will go to the table design, and here you can have an option of tools right there, convert to a range. Now if you click here, this table will be converted into a normal range. You click convert range, it is asked for the pop-up, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes. Now you see this table has been converted into a normal range, removing the filter button as well. Moving to step C of point number 6, that is insert a subtotal into the range B3 to G18 with the subtotals appearing at each change in the industry field. Okay, so whenever you are asked to add subtotals, first of all you have to select the range, that is B3 to G18. Then you have to go to the, you can select any cell as well. Okay, then you have to go to the data tab. In the outline group, here you will, in the focus group, you will click on the outline, and here you will click the subtotals. Now you see it says that with the subtotals appearing at each change in the industry column. So here you have to, at each change, you can see in the industry column we need a subtotal. We have to, next is subtotal range with subtotals appearing. Okay, add subtotals using sum function to the contract total and billing to date. So the function should be summed. You can see there are multiple functions, and the total should be added to the contract total and billing to date. These two should be added. Okay, click OK. Now if you see, at each change in the category there is a subtotal. This is a marketing project type, and there is a subtotal of these ones. Marketing operations. I hope it's clear now. Healthcare, financial, energy totals, consumer products, these are all the industry change. Okay, so at each industry change there is a subtotal. I hope you got it. Moving to step number 7, that is go to Eunice project worksheet. The Eunice table on this sheet, it lists consulting project by Ezra Eunice. Format the table to match the other workbook as follows. First of all, we have to navigate to the Eunice projects worksheet. This is the last probably worksheet. Now it says apply the gold table style medium 5 style to the Eunice table. As you can see, the other have the different theme as well, and this one has a different, so we have to change it. You have to click inside any of the cell, and then you have to go to the table design tab. Now here you will see table styles group. Click on the arrow, and now you have to select gold table style medium 5. So now you can see the theme has been changed for this what you can say table. Now display the filter button. Now you see this is a table, but the filter buttons are removed. Okay, so whenever you want a table to appear or disappear, the filter table, you have to click inside it, go to the table design tab, and now you have to check this filter button. You can see as you click, the filter button appears. As you uncheck, the filter button disappears. So we have to display the filter button. Okay, how long is this? It has 13 steps, and I'm done with 7. So I have covered almost 70%, 60% of the assignment, and that's it for this video. I will upload this next video soon, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do this assignment for you, you just need to send your files over the WhatsApp or over the email. I will do the assignment for you, and I will submit it to you as soon as possible. And it's a 24/7 available service with a very minimal charges, so don't worry about the pricing as well. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.